girls smoking, blowing. As my name snores, I'm thirsty, glowing. Off the perk, yeah, I'm rolling. That respect, 700 grams, icicle gets. Last long, niggas going up next. Jackie Boys, you on it, tell us the left. And you ain't get out, don't be set. 20 years old, well, I'm like the fat. So not you know, better head less to the best. Nigga, cause you can get left. And bitch, the floor, I fucking that's a short difference from a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring. That's a bitch in the back, horror. Sherry thought, yeah, it going.
What is going on, Docs Gang? How we doing today? And guys, yes guys, if you can look at the screen for one moment, we are finally on my desktop. I mean, you might not be able to tell. Well, actually, maybe you might be able to tell because I got, you know, the little different apps here. But guys, finally, we're on my desktop. I don't know why it took me so long to move from this piece of crap to this. Hold on, let me show you this beauty of a machine right here. It's not the best, but you know, it does the job. But yeah, enough about that. But yes, we are finally on a machine that can actually handle Omnisphere, okay? This thing can take Omnisphere like a champ. I mean, that one was struggling to fight against Omnisphere. This thing dominates, all right? This computer dominates. And we're gonna be using this computer from now on to record my videos. So I think the frame rate or the quality should be better for like the screen, because I know some people were saying the frame rate was kind of low when I was recording on my laptop, but yeah. We'll see. Let me know in the comments if it's any better. But yeah, aside from all that stuff, today we are going to be making a Travis Scott type beat. I keep listening to Jackboys, and that album I can't stop listening to it. So we're just gonna make a Travis Scott, I guess Jackboys-ish type beat. Don't forget to join my Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join the Discord, okay? Link in the description is free. Just make an account, okay guys? Making a Discord account is not that hard. It's very quick. Just email, username, password. That is literally all they ask you for. So join my Discord. I don't want to hear, oh, I don't have a Discord account. And another thing, guys, I'm gonna need you to like the video, okay? That helps a lot with the channel. I know I say this a lot, but I'm gonna really need you to like it. All right, so please hit the like button. I really appreciate that a lot, because it would help a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Comment on the video on what I should do in the future, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. But yeah, let's just get on to it. Man, it feels good to actually work on a computer that can actually handle FL Studio. Yeah, all right. So Travis Scott type beat. We're just gonna open up Omnisphere. All right, let's look for some bells, because I love bells. All right, there's a melody right there. I'm obviously gonna add gross beat to it. I mean, I don't know why. It's just a habit, guys. I don't know. This melody does sound really good. Let me add an ARP, see what that sounds like. I'm not sure how I feel about that gross beat, so I'm just gonna leave it off. All right, let's open up another not gross beat, Omnisphere, see what we could do. I mean, I really could just do this without gross beat, but I'm too used to using gross beat, so. All right, now we are going to go to the drums because I don't feel like wasting too much time on this. Let's go into Citrus and let's get a sub bass. And then I'm probably gonna add an 808. We'll see. Maybe not. Probably not. I don't know. Where is the Citrus? There we go. Yes. All right, let's crank that bass up. We need to crank that bass up. I cannot hear it. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Now we need that kick. We need that kick. There it is. And notice how I reorganized the drum kits, guys. I'm more organized now. I'm so used to scrolling this thing. I got the perfect hi-hats. Probably the perfect hi-hats. There we go. And I'm gonna do this right here. There you go, there you go. Something for you.
Years later.
All right, let's get these snares down because I'm really feeling this. Do I want? Hold on a second. Nah, not that one. We're gonna get the snare that I always like to use, and of course we're gonna get the bend tram. Well, I don't know what this is even called or what that says, but. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, everything needs to be loud. I don't know why things are not loud right now. You know what, guys? I'm not even gonna force it anymore. I think that is it. That is the end of the beat. The beat sounded fine. Sounded fire, first and foremost. I really like that a lot. And for once, FL did not crash when I put more than one VST on it. So yeah, we're gonna be using this computer from now on to record my videos. And best believe these videos are just gonna keep getting better and better. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the content. Like I said at the beginning, make sure you like the video. All right, I'm gonna need you to do that. And also, don't forget to join the Discord, all right? The Discord is pretty lit, okay? We do a lot of things there. Live streams and beat contests and beat critiques, stuff like that. So make sure you join so you don't miss out. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well when you subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beats.